Good afternoon. This is Bill Brown with Eco Attic Guard. We are in a customer's cold basement at the moment installing double bubble reflective material to their basement ceiling. The customer's concerns were that they had cold floors above. And so what we're trying to do here is warm those floors up by reflecting the radiant heat that's passing through the floors back up to their feet. Right now, we're going to shoot a quick couple of laser points here. I left one bay open. It's got conventional fiberglass insulation that's obviously not working. And let's see what we got here. 60, 64, 62, 62 degrees coming through, radiating through the floor here. Now let's take a look at the double bubble material. Grab that. Let's take a shot through here. "68, 70 degrees, 70 degrees. So you're looking at a 6 to 8 degree difference on the material, and shooting the material itself, you're looking at 61 degrees on the outside, which is it's keeping the outside here colder and reflecting the heat back up to the feet, back up to the living space. It's a very effective material. It's non-toxic, non-carcinogenic. It illuminates the basement. It gives a nice clean look. There's no more fiberglass, no more homes that rodents live in fiberglass, and it's a much effective product. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call anytime. Thank you, and have a good day.